हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विथ उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर दें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियोस की अपडेट मिलती रहेगी। तो आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट, जो कि फिजिक्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, जिसके हम टॉप 40 MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। लाइट ईयर इज, and the answer is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Second question, which one of the following is not a dimensionless quantity? And the answer is frequency. Third question, which of the following system of units is not based on units of mass, length and time alone? And the answer is SI. Fourth question, the numerical ratio of displacement to the distance covered is always? And the answer is equal to or less than 1. Fifth question, which of the following is not a fundamental unit? And the answer is Newton. Sixth question, a passenger in a moving train tosses a 5 rupee coin. If the coin falls behind him, then the train must be moving with a uniform. And the answer is acceleration. Seventh question, the SI unit of the force is? And the answer is Newton. Eighth question, how many watts are there in a horsepower? And the answer is 746. Ninth question, an iron ball and a wooden ball of same radius are released from a height h in vacuum. Which of these two balls will take more time to reach the ground? And the answer is both will take same time. 10th question, among the following the derived quantity is? And the answer is density. 11th question, what is the unit of atmospheric pressure? And the answer is bar. 12th question, farad is the unit of? And the answer is capacitance. 13th question, a distance of 1 kilometer means? And the answer is 1000 meter. 14th question, which one of the following SI unit is not correctly matched? And the answer is pressure and dyne. 15th question, which one of the following is not the unit of heat? And the answer is watt. 16th question, which one of the following is the unit of measure of the thickness of the ozone layer of the atmosphere? And the answer is Dobson. 17th question, mass is the measure of? And the answer is matter contained. 18th question, which unit of measurement is multiplied by 0.39 to convert it into inches? And the answer is centimeter. 19th question, Dobson unit is used for the measurement of? And the answer is thickness of ozone layer. 20th question, light year is the unit of? And the answer is distance. 21st question, the SI unit of electrical resistance of conductor is? And the answer is ohm meter. 22nd question, Pascal is the unit of measuring? And the answer is pressure. 23rd question. 1 barrel of oil is equals to which of the following? And the answer is 159 liters. 24th question. Which one of the following pairs does not have the same dimension? And the answer is density and specific gravity. 25th question. In SI units, the number of basic physical quantities are? And the answer is 7. 26th question. Megawatt is the measuring unit of power which is? And the answer is generated. 27th question. The unit of work is? And the answer is joule. 28th question. Practical unit of heat is? And the answer is calorie. 29th question. What is measured in cubesec? And the answer is flow of water. 30th question. The smallest unit of length is? And the answer is Fermi-meter. 31st question. A motor vehicle is moving on a circle with a uniform speed. The net acceleration of the vehicle is? And the answer is towards the center of circle. 32nd question. How can the height of a person who is 6 feet tall be expressed in nanometer? And the answer is 183 into 10 to the power 7 nanometer. 33rd question. SI unit of surface tension is? And the answer is N per meter. 34th question. Which one of the following remains constant while throwing a ball upward? And the answer is acceleration. 35th question. A parsec, a unit of distance used to measure the distance related to the stars in the sky, is equal to? And the answer is 3.25 light years. 36th question. 1 micron is equals to? And the answer is 1 per 1000 millimeter. 37th question. The unit of power is? And the answer is watt. 38th question. Parsec is the unit of? And the answer is distance. 39th question. Ampere is the unit of? And the answer is electric current. And the last 40th question. If an object undergoes a uniform circular motion, then its? And the answer is velocity changes. तो ये थे यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट के टॉप 40 MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है द डायमेंशन ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज सेम एज दैट ऑफ। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।